Then when we have the layer, we flat them twice. And then later we put the layer below the dog. Then we put the dog at the top, and to finish we put a yolk in the dog, and we put in the oven 40 minutes.